Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, bigyan ko kayo ng update. Yung nangyayari ngayon na TRICOM hearing na kung saan ang mga invited DDS vloggers ay hindi na naman sila sumipot. Pangalawang hearing na ito. Kaya nagresulta ito ng pag-issue ng TRICOM, mag-issue na ng subpoena sa mga vloggers na ito. 12 sila na na-issuehan ng subpoena. Ito, basahin ko yung aking listahan. Si Dr. Richard Mata, si Ethel Pineda, ito yung ma-isyuhan o na-isyuhan na ng subpoena. Medyo mabigat na itong subpoena dahil pag hindi pa sila mag-attend sa next hearing, contempt order na. So, Dr. Richard Mata, Ethel Pineda, Joey Dibebre, Auron Peña, Crisette Laureta Chu, Susan Batalla, Attorney Trexie Angeles, Sas Rogando Sasut, Mary Jane Reyes, Mark Anthony Lopez, Dr. Lorraine Badoy, and Jeffrey Celes. So itong mga vloggers na ito, nakatanggap na sila ng show cause order for failing to attend yung unang hearing. So itong second hearing, hindi pa rin sila nag-attend. Kahit nagpadala sila ng mga excuse letters nila, hindi pa rin tinanggap yung excuse letters. Kaya itong si Congressman Paduano nag-move na maisyuhan sila ng subpoena. At inaprubahan naman ng committee, kaya yun na. Ito, iparinig ko sa inyo si Congressman Paduano tungkol dito sa excuse letters ng mga vloggers at saka yung pag-move niya na maisyuhan sila ng subpoena.
Several letters coming from resource persons that was issued as show cause order during the February 4 hearing, Mr. Chairman. Now, most of these excuse letters citing almost the same, except for a few, almost the same reason why they should not be present in today's hearing. Now, let me take, for example, letter coming from a certain Richard Mata. He stated about the questions of his base in Davao, and he has also filed a petition for certiorari in the Supreme Court. And he mentioned about lack of willful disobedience, etc., etc. Now, it is, Mr. Chairman, the same is in the case of other invited resource person issued the show cause order. They have filed a petition for certiorari in the Supreme Court, and they are not once again present in today's hearing. Well, in fact, some of them mentioned about that they should not be cited in contempt. And just for the record, I would just like to correct all those resource persons that replied with regards to the show cause order by this honorable committee. We never cited them in contempt. We followed due process in this committee. Well, in fact, a lot of hearings in my own committee and even in the Quadcom, we follow and we do diligence with regards to motion to cite in contempt a certain particular resource person. Now, Mr. Chairman, I'll just mention all those names, na nagpadala dito na hindi po dumalo ngayong araw na ito answering our show cause order. A certain Dr. Richard Mata, but Comsec, please take note that Dr. Richard Mata mentioned about a letter that was sent to his address in the person of Manuel Mata. In his letter, he asked this committee or the Comsec to kindly refrain from sending correspondence addressed to him at my given address, considering that he is not that he is a total stranger to me. So, ito pong a certain Manuel Mata, if he is invited, hindi po naka-address dapat kay Dr. Richard Mata. But then, Dr. Richard Mata is absent, no, in today's hearing. Second po, the letter coming from Ethel Pineda. The same po. And let me read, may I respectfully inform the committee that a petition for certiorari and restraining order have been filed before the Supreme Court. This legal action pertains to inquiry that I was unable to attend. Concerning this, I shall await guidance from the Supreme Court on the appropriate next steps. The same is true with Elizabeth Jo Cruz, Aaron Peña, Crescent Loretta Chu. But the Crescent Loretta Chu, I think is not present today, but her counsel is present in the person of former congressman and former Secretary of the Department of Labor and Employment, Secretary Congressman Silverio. Sir, I will just ask the chairman that he will be given time after this, all of these admin matters, but still, we have to act on it based on the letter that was submitted to us. After I read all the reply letter po, then I will ask the chairman for you to explain why your client is present today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be recognized, Your Honor?
Okay, so, ayan, isinama rin dyan si Susan Batalla, Attorney Trixie Angeles, Sas Rugando, sino pa ito? Mary Jean Reyes, Mark Antonio Lopez, Doc Badoy, and Jeffrey Celes. So, ulitin ko, medyo delikado na po ito. Pag hindi pa sila sumipot sa third hearing, contempt order na. So, pagdasal po natin itong mga vloggers na ito, ang ilang kahinatnan kung sa tingin ko, kahit itong may subpoena, sa tingin ko, hindi pa rin mag-a-attend itong mga nabanggit. So, dadami na ang ma-issuehan ng contempt order ng mga vloggers. Okay, mga kapatiran na kaibigan, salamat sa inyong palaging panonood sa ating mga vlogs. Nakakatulong po kayo sa Talaandi Tribe dahil ang sweldo natin sa YouTube, namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako sa tribo para makapagpatayo sila ng bagong bahay o ma-repair nila ang kanilang sira-sirang bahay. Namimigay din tayo ng solar lights sa kanila dahil bundok yun, wala silang kuryente para naman magliwanag ang tahanan nila kung gabi. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito, kabalikat kayo sa pagtulong sa tribo.
Og karon mo na ni ang kadtong natagan og sin kining babae, og mo na ni ang iyang giatop, og ako siyang doolon, og ako siyang pamutanon bahin sa nahatag sa iyaha nga sin nga naatop na gyud niya apan wala pa nahuman ilang balay. Maayong hapon. Oo, mo na ni inyong balay na atop na inyong sin.
Mo na gid ni
Oh, kadtong gihatag sa inyo ah. Oo. So maayo na gyud nga nakaatop na. So wala pa lagi ninyo ni nahuman inyong balay, nakaatop pa mo.
nakato pa mi pero ready na namo ang mga kahoy.
Oo. So giredi na ninyo ning mga kahoy. Oo. Lagi so at least nga daan nagibutang para pag taod.
Padali ra ang among pagdaon.
Oo, para dali ra daan nagibutang. Asa imong bana karon?
Naningkamot pa ug kuha.
Nagkuha pa og. Ayaw ka ulaw.
Nakuha pa og mga kahoy at magamit namo sa among balay.
Oo. So mao na ni siya. So giredi na ninyo daghan-daghan naman. So unsa ang imong maistorya bahin sa nahatag sa inyo nga lansang o kining inyong atop nga sin?
salamat sa Ginoo nga iyaming gitabangan nga makabalay.
Oo.
Sa nagatan-aw sa YouTube, salamat.
Oo.
Unta magpadayon mo sa inyong suporta
Oo.
ug paghatag.
So sige mora to, salamat. Muna ni ang ilang balay nga katong natag sa ilang hayero o karon na atop na gid nila.